Hey, what's up everyone? I hope you're all doing well. So today's another vlog, but we're gonna spend a day messing around with my new DJI Mini 2. Let's get into it. Alright guys, and we're off. So I got up at like 6 o'clock this morning to shoot the sunrise that you guys seen in the intro there. So the game plan for today is I have a couple jobs to drop off for my work, so I'm just gonna do that quickly. I'm not gonna bore you guys with that, but then we're gonna head to this super cool location where the crater is, and we're gonna mess around with the drone and shoot some epic shots. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so we just made it to the final client for today. I just gotta unload these boxes and it's time to hit up the crater and get some sweet drone shots. Let's do it. Just like that, we're done. Alright, so we got about a 20-minute drive to the crater now, so I'll pick up the camera when we get there. And right before the crater, there's some really cool backcountry roads, and I kind of want to shoot the drone following my car, so let's see how that works. Alright. We made it to the backcountry roads here. If you guys can see that bridge, we're gonna try and fly the drone following my car through the bridge, and we're gonna try and get some aerial shots of the car and just kind of pan along. I've never done this before, so let's see how it works. So I'm getting ready to launch the drone, but it's pretty windy today, so we're gonna see how the drone holds up in the wind. Let's go.
I can't stay. No, I always gotta go. Playing house, this ain't a home with my soul. On the road, I can't.
Alright guys, that was a lot tougher than I thought. There's a lot of trees overhanging, so it wasn't easy to control. I was flying the drone manual. I know there's settings in the Mini that allows you to track and follow targets, but I just haven't figured that out yet. I know I shouldn't make it a habit droning and driving, but I'm just on a back road, so it doesn't really matter. But anyways, we're about 2 seconds away from the crater right now, so we're gonna hike on into the crater and then get some really cool shots there. Alright, we're all geared up. Time to hike into the crater. Alright guys, we're a couple seconds away from the crater. You know what's funny? I swear I wear this hoodie every single time I vlog. I promise I have other clothes. As you guys can tell, it is pretty windy. The weather app says it's 23 kilometers an hour, but these gusts we're getting I think are a lot stronger. So let's see how this Mini 2 holds up during these winds. My hat's literally gonna blow off. This wind is pretty strong, man. We're at the crater here. The only good thing is that the crater is nice and open, so the wind shouldn't blow me into any trees or anything, but I don't know what's gonna happen here, guys. Alright guys, we're getting ready to launch the drone at the crater here. There's just one thing I wanted to mention before I shoot it up in the sky. Just keep in mind it's the first week of spring here in Canada, so the colors are going to be very neutral and plain. I'm sure in the summer and fall the colors are going to pop and it's going to look very vibrant. But let's get this drone in the air. Hopefully the wind doesn't blow it over. Alright, so we're at the next location where I want, oh shit. See, that's how windy it is. We're at the next location where I wanted to launch. It's a lookout point here, but it's not any less windy, and it's probably gonna be just as sketchy of a flight, but let's launch it up for a few more minutes because that's why you're here, is to see some drone footage. So let's get it in there and have some fun. Alright guys, I'm sorry, but it is just too windy here and I do not feel comfortable launching it. Like I said, I just got this drone and I'm not trying to break it on the first week. So I'm gonna insert some drone shots from this morning I took for you guys to enjoy, so check them out. Guys, well, I hope you enjoyed some of the footage from this morning. I'm pretty bummed I can't fly right now. I came all the way out here. I was pretty excited to fly around and get some cool shots, but like I said, I'm just not willing to risk it today. I think I'm gonna wrap up the video here with the footage I got this morning and the footage here. I think I might have enough to put together a little vlog for you guys, but I kind of want to cut back my vlog time a bit, as my average video has been around 20 to 30 minutes recently, and I want to cut that back. So with that being said, if you guys have any other ideas that you'd like me to do for videos, leave them down in the comments. But for now, leave a like and subscribe. Until next time.